Okay, students, this is Professor Street here with a quick tutorial to explain the difference between submit and publish on Digication, to show you how to access your portfolio and how to comment on other people's work. So I'm in our Spanish course at Elementary Spanish Online 160, right? I want to go to Digication Cora. Remember, anytime you're doing an assignment with Digication Cora, this will be the very first step. You will select Digication from the left menu here. And when it loads, you will find your portfolio, right? So you see mine's right here, my student one, but if yours is not up here at the beginning, you can just type the first part of your name. So I'll select my portfolio. All right, so I want to talk about some specific language in Digication. First, I'll highlight, we will never ever use the submit button in this course. I know we went over a lot of stuff at the beginning of the course when you met with me, and it takes a minute to get used to it. It's worth understanding this because you will use Digication in the same way in Spanish 2010 and Spanish 2020, right? So here's the thing. Do not use the submit button. Submit only submits an assignment to Digication, and we're not using that feature at all. So we will never use this submit button. Instead, we're using the share button and publish. So look, here's some text that I'm going to add. Let me edit it so we can see. All right, this is about me part 2. All right, so I have made an edit here to my text box, right? I see I have a person with a red dot. I will select share, publish page, or I can select publish pages if I've been working on multiple pages, publish page. Okay, so now I want to see that I did it correctly. Remember, we are not using the submit button. So I can select this again. It will open the same thing, view published version. Now, this is what everyone sees, right? So I will copy this link, copy the link, and I will go to the assignment. This is the create the portfolio assignment. And I will paste the link in the Canvas assignment, right? That's what we're doing instead of using that submit feature. This is what we're doing. We're taking a link from Digication and we're posting it, or we're putting it in to the Canvas assignment, right? So here we go. And I would submit here on Canvas, not on Digication, okay? So now an assignment is telling me to go comment on someone's work, right? Okay, so I go back to Digication Cora. This time I'm looking for the different students' portfolios, right? So I'm going to comment on a few people's portfolios. So let's see who I can comment on today. So I will take, let's see, all right, so I will comment on Tess's work here. So I go to whatever assignment that Tess has done, and I select the comment feature here. I type my comment, great job, Tess, but you would be doing this in Spanish. And then I select that I want the admin Tess to see it, of course, and I can let other people see it as well. It's just the people in the course, and submit, right? So there we go, right? So now when Tess goes to her portfolio, she can select the comment button and she will see that she has at least one page comment. I can also comment in line here if I wanted to get a little bit more detailed. This is what Professor Arriagada and I will do on your writing work. Okay, so I've commented on the portfolio work, and now I want to go read my comments and put all of those together on my work, on my page on the portfolio. So I go back to my portfolio, vamos a responder, module 1. It tells me to comment on 3 student videos. I just did that, and then summarize my responses. So maybe people commented on that they're also from Virginia or they have dogs and cats. So I would write a few sentences in Spanish and put that on my portfolio. Or if you want more spoken practice, you can use audio, record right from your computer or tablet or phone, or the same with video. And then when I'm done with this part, since I'm adding stuff to my portfolio, right? So rich text box, I'm going to need to publish again. So remember, publish, not submit. So mis comentarios, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So then I see my comments are made here. I see the person with the red dot. So I select this and then publish page. And to make sure I did this correctly, I can check and then copy this and paste it in the link on the Canvas assignment, right? So this is the vamos a responder number one. Vamos a responder number one, right? And then so I would take my link and put it here and then submit assignment. So remember, in Digication, we're not using the submit feature at all. We're only copying the links and putting them on Canvas. So I know this takes a little bit of time to get used to, but it is worth the effort. You will be using this considerably in 2010 and 2020. All right, reach out if you have any questions, chicos. Ciao.